how you can organically grow your Google business profile. So today in this video, I am going to share 10 important tips, tricks and strategies with you all so that you can grow your Google business profile, alright? And we use these tips and tricks either for our own business or for our client's business as well, which eventually helps us or to our client's Google business profile to grow accordingly. And its visibility increases and they also get leads as well. And most importantly, they get sales. Also, all this is free of cost. And also you need not to pay any amount to Google as well. You just need to listen carefully to what I am going to explain you today and apply that. And remember friends, first of all, the most important thing is that whenever you are starting your business on an online platform, right? Then you have to create a Google business profile immediately. Is it clear? Because you need to create your own profile and also you must claim the name of your business. Like suppose there are the domain names in the world of websites, just for example, google.com or marketingfundas.com. And if someone books our domain name, then what we can do? Can any person book that domain name again? No, they can't book same name. So in the Google business profile, if my company's name is Marketing Fundas or Marketing Fundas Private Limited or whatever name I want to keep. So if someone knowingly or unknowingly create a Google business profile and register that business name under their own name and make a profile with that name or register that name, then I won't be able to create profile. So as it's important and you have to make sure that you have to immediately create a Google business profile and then you have to save that business name as well. Now how to create an account. So friends, there is a second way of doing that whenever you are planning to create Google business profile, right? So you don't just need to create it for the name. In that, whatever fields are given there, that is essential to present your business properly, to make it visible and also to provide the correct information, right? So you need to fill all those fields properly with the right information. Understood? And all those videos that I have explained you before in this SEO course and also in this GMB course. So in those videos, I've taught you how to create GMB account. I've explained how to create the account of Google business profile with proper steps. Okay, so if you haven't created an account yet, then you can watch our previous videos and you can create your own account. And also the complete course on GMB is given on our channel. So you can watch that course and I've put it inside the I button. And along with that, I'll provide its link in the description so that if you want to watch the complete course for free and along with that, you can learn the methods that I am going to tell you today and apply them. Okay. Now friends, the third tip regarding this that I am going to give you today is all about that whenever you are going to create your own Google business profile, right? So always keep in mind that you have to apply the realistic photographs and videos inside that profile when you are creating that. Also, their quality should be good so that the user can believe that this is real profile and these people are genuine who are using this profile. Also, it's real business and their things are looking realistic, right? So people pay a lot of attention to these small and minor details. And now the fourth tip and trick is that whenever people are searching anything, whenever people are searching on Google for anything that might be related to your profile or related to your business, right? So if you have used the right keywords that describe about your business or about your product or services, and if you have searched them correctly and placed them properly within your profile or inside your business, so it tells Google that this business sells this kind of services or the products, right? So if someone searches like that, then your profile will also be shown to them, okay? That's why choosing the right keywords is very important. Now fifth tip is regular posting. So friends, that in the GMB. We keep on doing regular updates. We post on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube and we stay consistent as well, right? Just like that, people don't post on their Google business profile. They are not used to it. But it is just as much important as it is important. Posting on Instagram or Facebook, then you should also post on Google as well. And due to this, you can increase the reach of your content and boost your visibility. Now we have sixth tip and that is very important. So on the Google business profile, sometime it happens that the users do some queries or they might ask some question or make some inquiry. Then in that case, you have to be completely up to date and respond to their queries properly, or you should answer their questions correctly. Okay, so they don't feel neglected and Google monitors this very closely. So remember that it mentions how much percentage of queries you are answering. So you have to answer 100%, whether it's good or bad. Okay, so you have to handle your own customers. Now, if someone is asking wrong question or maybe right question, but you have to handle things patiently, right? So friends, seventh tip is very important if you want to bring your Google profile at the top or want to bring in searches. In that case, you can ask those people or those customers to provide genuine reviews on your profile who have used your products or services at large. They can give honest reviews. Okay. Now for that, you could either give them some reward or request them. So you have to build some strategy for that. And as much as good and genuine reviews will be there on your profile then. Because of this, your profile will boost up. So this is one of the most important factors. So remember this always. And in this, the eighth tip I'm giving is that you should reply to all the reviews that people are posting. Is that clear? Okay, if you are getting good reviews, then thank them and appreciate them. If someone is writing a negative review, ask them about their problem and try to resolve it so that they can turn that negative review into positive. And from this, business turns into a big business. Now, the ninth one is that if you have the products, right? So you can add all the details and as well as you can add the description of the product in your profile, as this works like an e-catalog for your business, right? Now we have the 10th tip, but not the least. So friends, from whatever business you are in, right? So you have to tell the correct category of your business after creating your Google business profile. Understood? Many people do not define their category correctly on their profiles, or they do not define the related categories. Due to this, it's possible that Google has to face some trouble in getting the visibility for you in the correct category, or maybe reaching out to the right user, right? Friends, these 10 tips that I have shared with you all, this is not magic, rather this is the basic protocols. If you stick to these, then definitely you will see yourself. Then within just a few months, your Google business profile will start to grow and will begin to deliver the results, and people will begin to stay active on it, right? People will start to engage and you will get inquiries, sales, leads, all of that will happen. And now I just hope that you all have understood all these things in a proper manner and you will also apply them, right? Thank you.